So what up guys, we're live on NoOnes official X and do it's called NoOnes app. They also have other handles here available, NoOnes support and NoOnes tech. Now they currently provide a P2P marketplace where you can trade your cryptocurrency, buy Bitcoin easily without regulatory issues and more. So you want to make sure you stick around and follow them. In the course of this video, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to go through about this. There's also the NoOnes Africa too, and next also we also have the one from the CEO. So the CEO is Ray Yusuf. He's an innovative leader in the ecosystem that's making lots of contribution in Africa. Also currently built some schools with BTC. So the cool thing is that before you get started on the app, you want to make sure you're using a referral link. So I'm going to use the one that is currently his own link. So I'm going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you directly to the platform. Now right here you can see here I'm currently not being able to log in because of regulatory ban in my region. So I'm just going to click on using my VPN. You can see I just put in my VPN here. I'm going to refresh the screen now. So I'm going to wait for this to refresh up. So once this refreshes up, this gives you an opportunity to bypass any regulatory issues associated with accessing blockchain based websites. So we are live here and you can see here it say, hey, thanks to your friend Ray, you're now a NoOnes partner. This is what you got. So this is some of the cool perks of using this referral link or affiliate link is that you get bonuses. So here we got 100 sats, and now I'm just going to impute my email address here. Okay, Akahilz. So that's it. Click on continue. So once you click on continue, impute your password, guys. You just look for a password you can remember, any password at all. So let's create a password for you. Click on it and click on continue once you're done. So once you're done, you want to click on the continue button. You can see I think the interface of the website is really great. It looks cool. I think it's interesting. It has this catchy look. So I'm going to click on verifying. So you want to verify here to make sure you're not a bot. So next up, I think they just sent an email, a code to my email address. So I'm going to go over to my email now. Refresh your email, you'll be able to see this. So mobile users, you can also do this with your mobile devices. I'm just currently using my PC so that you guys can see it's clearer. So next up, I just imputed the code. Remove this. That's the code. So you want to click on continue once you impute the code. So that's the code 942616. Here you'll be able to put in your username, Akahilz. So you want to make sure you're using Akahilz when you're registering so you don't miss out on the referral bonus. So you just got it to claim an ID. I'm going to wait for this to load up. Here you're going to see the full community. So I think it's currently loading. This is the interface here. So there are lots of opportunities here, and there are lots of docs available where you can get infos on how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy different cryptocurrencies all here. There's also the light or dark feature also. On the main menu, you can see there's recent trade, my offers, trade statistics for you to get info about your performance on the website or statistics on the website. On the wallet section, you can do mobile top-ups, you can convert your assets easily, and you can see you have been choosing. You can either trade now, but I think first and foremost we're going to try as much as possible to fulfill our KYC purposes so we don't get restrictions. Mind you, using KYC is not as compulsory as possible. You can trade as much as $700 without doing your KYC. But for you to trade or increase your limit, you want to make sure that you have done your KYC. So I'm just going to check your messenger here. Make sure you impute your country. So because we were using VPN, that was why it was showing France initially. But here you can see here we changed it already to Nigeria. So this is the dashboard, guys. You can see your account level, and also you can see your the reward section. It says here we've been dropped 100 sats. So I'm just going to open that in the next menu. So you can go to the reward section here. Say go to the reward section to view your rewards, and you can see here you got to check these out, the leaderboard. You can see payment accounts, you can see where you can enter your name, verifications, you can see your account levels, you can see the P2P statistics. Over 3,788 users and $3 million have been traded for 24-hour volume. Now mind you, this covers all of Africa and beyond, guys. So this platform is very legit. It works just like every other exchanges out there. So I'm going to click on these. Just going to close this trade now. Close this. Let's see how possible we can complete our KYC and fulfill most of our rewards. So this is the invite code, guys. So make sure when you want to register, you make sure you're using our invite code so you don't miss out on bonuses. Just take note, it's Akahilz there. So I'm going to close this reward history. This talks about the sats that we got. So we've not done our phone number, and also two-factor authentication have not been completed. So I'm going to click on here, include a name, last name and first name, and also date of birth. So I'm going to look at November. Yeah. So next, got it. So you want to enter your name. I think we've entered that already. So you can refresh the screen. Once you refresh the screen, it's going to take you here. Click on here. You can impute it again. I think we just have to impute it again. Okay, so click on submit details. I just submitted our details here. Now this helps you to get more advanced opportunities on the platform, guys. You can see the dark interface. I think it looks good for users. So you can see here phone number, email verification, name, date of birth, and ID card. So those are some of the features you want to do. But take note, the KYC is not as compulsory as it is with some other platforms, with other exchanges out there. Now here you can see your OTC, you can see your gift cards. You can also create your own offer. So if you're a P2P merchant that wants to create your own offer, you can use that feature too. Now you can see your profile here. You can share your profile. You can do lots of functions here on this particular platform on NoOnes. So I think it's really cool. So I'm going to view my payment accounts here. Just going to click on it and wait for it to load up a little bit. So you want to impute if you're using this NoOnes platform as a personal user or as a business user. So here I just put in my details. I'm going to search OP. I think OP, that's OP bank. Yeah. So next is I'm going to put my phone. I'm going to put my account name. Okay, Kelvin. I'm going to put next is the phone number. That's the account number. So once you're done with that, just click on add accounts. Now you can add as much accounts as possible. If you have a PayPal account, you have international bank accounts, you can trade with dollars, you can do whatever you want to do, guys. It works. So you can check on the security features here. So there's localization, there's security, there's notifications, there's even developer access for individuals that are looking to access through the developer mode, guys. Here you can see your history and 2FA. You can see lots of features about or statistics about your account. So I'm just going to go next. I think next I'm going to try and complete our phone number verification here. So I'm going to wait for this to load up. Okay. So since we selected Nigeria, we're just going to impute our phone number here and click on send code. So I think I'm just going to wait for the code to arrive on my mobile device. Okay, I think it's almost there. So yeah, 094869. That's it, guys. So it's very fast. It comes very fast, so you don't need to be worried about network issues or more. So next on the list, we're going to go over to okay, no, not the P2P marketplace. First, let's finish everything that concerns KYC and more. So next, the developer mode. Okay, we're just going to skip that. I think those are for technical people. So the most important thing is to try as much as possible to fulfill your account details and more. Now it says here which name do you want to appear whenever you're creating transactions. So you can also get an opportunity to add your picture, add a profile picture to your page or your platform or your profile on NoOnes. So it gives you more accessibility. So I'm going to take this, save it. Okay. So I think it's going to load up and I think uploading 100%. Yeah, correct. So next, I think you need to select your full name. I think that the name that tallies with your bank account. so that users can see it when they are completing a trade with you. You just click on full name, so I think I'm going to select that. So that's the information here. So some trades take in. Okay, so that has been saved. Okay, so next here, this is the marketplace, but we're going to skip that and go back to so this is the partner program that we talked about initially, where you can earn by referring users. So once you're done registering, guys, you can also use our referral link to refer your friends and family to get them on board. So you can see here we're done with 3 verifications, just remaining the ID card verification. So there's progress already. So we're going to select our country, Nigeria. Next, the ID card type. You can use international passports, whichever ID card you want to use. It says here you can trade up to $700 already, so performing your KYC is not as important. So we're just going to wait for this to load up. Load up. I think my network is kind of messy, guys. Network is kind of messy, so I'm going to wait a little bit. So guys, if you're loving this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from. If you have challenges, let me know in the comment section. And any challenges you have, we can always assist you with resolving them. And if you're familiar with P2P marketplaces or trading with crypto on exchanges, this should be very lot easier for you. Now the cool thing is that you want to have as much options as possible, or as much opportunities as possible, so that you can get more flexibility and be able to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. Now these arbitrage opportunities usually comes into play when you see that there's a price difference between the trading price of a particular asset. Let's say Bitcoin on this platform is different from the one from another platform. Now one good platform to go to see some prices is CMC. That's a Coinmarketcap, so you want to be aware of that. So here, I think it's just opened up. It says I'm a resident or live in which country. So if you live in United States, you want to click here, but if you don't, you click on order. So I'm just going to put in my NIN details. I'm going to wait for this to load up now. Load up. So I'm going to click on submit data. Still rolling. Let's just wait a little bit. So guys, if you have challenges here, you want to refresh your screen, try it again. It's going to work. So your NIN works if you're a Nigerian. If you have a driver's license, you can also try it. Whichever document you want to use, so long as a valid ID card, it should work for you guys. So I'm going to wait for this to load up. I said something went wrong. I think the verification portal is a little bit messy, so we're just going to try again to see how possible this is going to work. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let me click on it again. So just reload it. Let's see if it works this time around. So make sure you have a good internet. I think that should also help to make it faster, and hopefully you get just going to wait for this sending your data to your database. Just going to wait. So it's safe, reliable, so you don't have any issues. Yeah, thank God we just got here. So this is where you do your face camera. So ensure your face is within the frame, then slow down to turn your head. So since I'm using PC, guys, I think I'm going to try if I can use my mobile phone, because my camera won't be able to walk through with this. So you want to make sure, I think my webcam won't be able to do this. So I'm just going to click on yes, continue on phone. Let's see if I can continue on phone, guys. So you also want to download the WAP VPN on your mobile device. You can check that on Play Store. You can see the interface. I just logged in. So I'm going to try and scan the code if it's going to work. Okay, it didn't work. Next, let me see. I'm going to try as much as possible to just access it directly. So I'm currently on the page, on the verification page. NoOnes /accounts/verifications. That's noons.com/account/verifications. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Once it loads up, we'll be able to complete the facial verification. So the document is currently good. I will just need to make this selfie. Say go through business. I think it says here, say go through business detection check. Okay, I'm just going to click accept camera, allow camera. You can see here, these are facial. Camera is currently up. I'm going to increase brightness, so you might not be able to see the screen. I'm just going to blur out my face. Just going to blur out my face because this is a little bit personal. So it says hold still. You can see here, move your head in circular motion. So I'm just going to move my head in circular motion. So the good thing here is that you're seeing me doing this just directly from my phone, and you're going to see the approval process. You're going to see how long it takes. You're going to see how stress-free it can be. There's no stress with it. It's very easy to do. It's just normal KYC, and you can submit your documents, whichever one that you're comfortable with. If you want to put out your NIN, driver's license, whichever one. So I think left, right. So just roll your head in circular motion and make sure your face is bright, just like I'm doing. Though you might not be able to see, but just like the animation was on the screen before. So it's currently processing. We're just going to wait for this. Yeah, say congrats, your face scan was successful. Continue. So you can see here the selfie has been checked, and congratulations, your verification was successful. So that's a good one, guys. We just completed our verification. So you might need to reload this page for those using PC. For mobile users, once you reload, you'll be able to see that your verification has been completed. I'm just going to check our email. I think we got a mail from them saying that our verification was complete. So it says here we just got an instant mail. You can see, hi Kelvin, says congratulations, ID document was approved. Now you can now buy your Bitcoin successfully. So you can buy as much as over $800 or $700 now with this. So now this is the P2P marketplace. Here you can see the P2P marketplace. So that's where we're just going to go over next. But mind you, before that, let's just check here and see if there's anything we're missing up. Currently not much. Just going to refresh this. Let's refresh. Damn, don't forget to drop a like, comment, let us know. Say congratulations. Okay, same congratulations, that's a good one. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Check your profile. You can see daily limits. So we're currently having unlimited, guys. So this is the P2P marketplace. When you click on that marketplace button where you can buy or sell crypto, you can see any of the options. So on default is going to be buy crypto. That's what you're going to be seeing. So I'm just going to click on refresh so you see the interface well enough. Don't forget we're currently using the dark mode. You can also switch it over to light mode. Now if you need to learn about how to buy Bitcoin, you can also follow the prompt here. It talks about offer filters. You can see there's a Tor. They usually give this Tor notifications or prompts for users to see. Now you can see on default we have a BTC. There are other currencies available too for you to trade. You can also see bank transfer. You can click on refresh. Next, it talks about trade partner info. You can see the trade partner info that talks about the users that you want to trade with. So you need to be aware of the users. So each of these people that are putting that out, they are peer-to-peer users, they are your own users. You can see the price limit. So the price limit talks about the limit at which they can trade. So most of the offers here, they usually have a range of value they want to trade. Now you can only trade Bitcoin, Tether, USDT, and USD coin. Now mind you, once you trade these cryptocurrencies, you can also swap them if you want to. Now for currency, since I'm in Nigeria, I'm just going to select NGN. But you can see there are loads of countries here that are available being supported. For bank transfer, you can use variety of methods that you seem convenient. Just going to wait for this to load up. So you can do PayPal, you can do bank transfer, you can do lots of other options. You can do international transfer, US dollar, DOM account, and gift cards. Yeah, there's also gift card options there, as you can see on my screen. So whichever one is comfortable for you, or whichever one you want to do. But for starters, you want to try buying either Bitcoin or USDT. So on default, I just put USDT here. Let's see if I can see 5,000 naira worth of USDT. Now you can see here it says you couldn't find. So you can see the range. This user is currently trading from 20,000 to so 30,000 to so You can see the name of the trader or the name of the merchant. You can see the rate at which they're selling. So they're selling for 1,600 and something. That's the cheapest price. You can also use the filter button if you want to use that. So you can see USD coin seems also going from 1,684. Now there's the price and the popular option. Popular option just shows you the most popular prices available, and the price shows you the list of all prices that are currently available. Now what I usually look out for, users that are currently online, users that can attend to you as fast as possible, because one thing about trading on P2P marketplace is that you want to trade as fast as possible. So I'm just going to change it back to USDT. You can see there are lots of users here. You can also change it using between verified users and also unverified users. So I just switched that off. Now the cool thing about trading with verified users is that for beginners, it gives you this level of confidence that they are verified from the platform and they are known already. So the chances of trading more easily will be there. So you can see recently active trades. You can see them there. So you can scroll down to see whatever you want or see the prices you want. So I just changed the price now. Let's try trading with Bitcoin, guys. Let's try trading with Bitcoin. The ETF just got approved, and Bitcoin halving is along the way. So we're going to select this trader here. So you can see the trade. This trader is trading from 20,000 to 135,000. Okay, I think the trader says we need to have a minimum of 2 trades before we can access them. So I'm just going to look for somebody else here. So you could take your time, guys. Look for somebody that you can trade with. Impute the value. Okay, yeah, this user accepts OP. I'm just going to click on it. 1 minute trade. So this is the interface for the trade here, guys. I'm just going to wait. So I said, "Hi, please. Are you online?" So we're going to wait if it's going to respond. So please keep all conversations here. So the cool thing about trading here is that there's an escrow feature. If you don't get paid, your assets and the user confirms that they paid you, the platform will hold the asset until you confirm trade. So there's always this middleman escrow feature that is available. So it just replied that yes, we can pay. Okay, so I said send details. Okay, he said which was the name I'm paying with. So you can see I just sent him my name. That's Kelvin, the full name there. So you can send him the name. So you make sure you're trading with a user that is showing active now. So that's something to look out for. So I'm just going to wait. Okay, he has sent us his details. So I'm just going to copy this and take it directly to my phone to complete this order, guys. So go over to your mobile app or your bank app to make your transfer. You can see here as we're making transfer. I'm just going to wait for this to load up. I also sent the merchant some messages because of the delay, because I'm currently having issues with my mobile device or the network. You can see I said sorry for the delay here. So take note, if the name tallies with the name of that is the name of the merchant. So the name generated and it tallies with it. So I'm going to impute 20,000 naira here. I'm just going to wait for this to load up. So take note, we currently do not have any funds in our NoOnes account. It's currently showing $0.00. I'm going to wait for this to load up. Load. Damn. So make sure you have a good network, guys, so you don't delay too much. Wow, guys, I think the order just got confirmed, guys. I think my app is still showing error. I think I just got notification that the trade has been completed. Wow, success. So congrats, guys, you just bought your first Bitcoin, or we just bought our cryptocurrency through the P2P marketplace. Now you can see our account has been credited with $12.42. You can see up there. So I'm just going to say thank you. It says thanks for the trade. So you can leave a review, a positive review, if the merchant did you well or attended to you well. So I just left a review there. Say thanks, great merchant. So next you can see these are the charts. You can see you can share lots of feedback. You can also interact to see. But congratulations, you've done your first trade successfully, and basically on to the next one. So this is how easy it is for you to buy your cryptocurrency on the NoOnes platform. It's very easy. So next year, I'm just going to go over to our wallet to see how far we can go back. Just going to wait for this to load up. Load. So here you can see your wallet where you can send or receive cryptocurrency easily. Now if you want to send this Bitcoin out, you can click on the send option. If you want to receive, you can also click on the receive function. Now you can also see your all operations function where you can see all the transactions that you're currently processing on your account. You can see your purchases. You can also see a lot of other features on the NoOnes platform. This is the partner program we've talked about. I think we're talking about it for the 10th time now, guys. So make sure to use our affiliate code noons.com/Akahilz. That's the referral code. This is the account settings. So you can see you can trade gift cards. You can do lots of features. There are lots of features available here. So we're just going to go back. Let's go to the sell feature to see if we can sell our cryptocurrency or sell these amounts back to the amount we currently bought it for. So we bought Bitcoin for 20,000 naira. I'm going to see how to sell it. So when you want to sell, just come over to the P2P marketplace, just like you can see on my screen here. You can see here the seller's name, you can see their reputation. And one thing you need to note is that you want to look out for traders or merchants that have done lots of trades. So here you impute your price. Just click on this. You can see here we're supposed to get about 21,200. So it means that there's an arbitrage opportunity according to the price we've seen. So I'm going to see how possible. Let's just push trade for 21,000. So this is for Apex EX. That's the name of the merchant. It's trading from 18,000 to 14 million naira. Just gonna click on start trade. So hopefully, let's hope this one goes through well. So since you're the one selling, so click on this. There's some prompts here which you need to know of. Click on this and read them before you click on them. So share your selected accounts with the buyer. You can share your account with the buyer so that the buyer can buy your Bitcoin and send you funds. So you need to send them your account details. So I just type, "Are you online? Hey, what's up? Are you online?" So I'm going to wait for him to reply me. But it currently is showing active now. So this is it. So a payment of 21,000 naira is being made to your bank account. So yes, he says yes. So I'm going to wait for his reply. It says, "I will be paying soon now." It says I'll be paying soon now. Okay. Yeah. So waiting. Okay. Okay, it says I will be paying 14k now. No. So I just sent him that no, it's 21,000 naira that is supposed to pay. So the thing is that the price I'm currently seeing there, I don't know why the price is a little bit higher than what they want to charge, because I think I tried this with this merchant. I tried it with some other merchant also. I think it brought out the same thing, but this is the whole scenario that's going to play out. It says here send there's an option where you can send the Bitcoin. That's if they pay. So until they pay, don't send and don't agree. He said he wants to pay me 14,000 naira for Bitcoin I just bought for 20,000 naira. So this is why I don't advise you guys to sell your cryptocurrencies. If you're buying crypto, you want to make sure that you have a reason for buying it. So you want to hold it for a long period of time or for a social amount of period of time, or if it's pumping, so when you are selling you will be able to sell in profit. Because most times if you want to buy and sell immediately, there are chances that if you don't do it well, you might be running at loss. You might run at loss as much as maybe $1 or $2. But there's also opportunity. So I think okay, so the trader, the merchant just cancelled the order because the price is not tallying. I think he says he wants to pay me less than what is currently showing on my screen here. So make sure to always follow the price that is currently showing on your screen here. So I'm going to try somebody else to see if it's going to work. So that trade was cancelled by the merchants that wanted to buy our Bitcoin. So be mindful, there are lots of merchants here that might be that could stress you out. This is just general in all marketplaces. So this is why most times, if you're a beginner, if you're not experienced, you want to look out for verified traders or verified merchants. Most times they usually have these understanding or these maturity. So I'm going to put max here. So I think we have 18,217. So this trader is trading from 17,000 to 3,000. So it seems here, guys, we might be losing about 2,000 naira if we are to put through with this trade. We might be losing about 2,000 naira if we are to put through with this trade. But nevertheless, let's go, because this is a tutorial guide so you guys can learn how to push through with selling your cryptocurrency. So I just initiated this. It's a little bit less. I think it's still better than the guy that wanted to sell for 14,000 naira for the same worth. So I think it was the worth of Bitcoin was about 0.00024. That was it. So I'm just going to click on this. I think it brought us back here. So I'm going to wait and impute the same figure again. So I'm just going to wait it. So I think we're having some network issues. So click on Max to see. Okay, yeah, so the max you can sell is about 18,270 something, or something we bought about 20,000. So sometimes you might need to wait a little bit, chill out before you sell your crypto. So let's just wait. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to reduce this for 12.41 US dollars. You can see the trade is from 17,000 to 3 million naira. You can see the transaction time 1 hour 30 minutes. International wire transfer payment method. Okay, I'm just going to refresh these all banks. You can see the price at which we're buying 76 million naira. That's what we're buying at. So let's just wait a little bit, guys. I think I'm having some network issues and this is not really well. Okay, I think we're currently contemplating if we should put. What do you guys think? Let's go with it there. So you guys will see it, because that's about 2k, guys. Just lost about 2k. It's equivalent to almost $1 anyway. So let's just trade it. So you can see here Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, USD coin and more. We're going to click here to click on start trade. Let's go. So you guys see the full flow about this. I didn't want to do this trade. I just wanted to just tell you guys, but nevertheless, let's just go with it. So you can see here, say the buyer has not paid. Okay, trade started. So I'm going to send him my details to pay. I think the buyer just also sent me a message on X, guys. Sent me a message on X. He sent me a message on X. And because of my digits are also there. So let's see how possible. Just going to wait for this to drop. So we're currently expecting a payment of 18,000 naira here. And let's see how far they pay. So once the buyer pays, we're going to release the coin, and you'll be able to click on the send Bitcoin option. There's an option there, just above where they wrote the buyer has not paid yet. Here, the top right corner. I just sent him a message, and I also shared him the account details, guys. So let's just wait a little bit for him to make payments. We'll transfer to our OP account. That's it. So guys, I believe you guys have learned how to purchase your Bitcoin easily using NoOnes app. Once you purchase directly, you can also withdraw it to whichever platform you want to withdraw to. So this is how easy without regulations. Now, if you also use other platforms too, you also want to look for arbitrage opportunities to see if you can get these arbitrage opportunities. Now, if you also want to become a P2P merchant, making as much as 2k per each trade, you can also shoot your shots and also participate. This is how easy it is. So I just sent the details. Let's just wait for him to make payments. I think his name is Fastest Deal. Let's wait for payment. Okay, let's wait a little bit. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family that want to get into crypto. 2024, that's the year of halving for cryptocurrency. You want to make sure that you're well informed, buy as much as possible. So you can see here our cryptocurrency, our wallets went from 12.41 to about 0.14 USD, guys. Damn. So guys, I think I just got a credit alert. You can see on my screen here on my mobile device. I'm just going to try and log into my OP balance, refresh to see the balance directly. Okay, yeah, we got credited 18,000 naira. So we traded just 18,000 naira worth of it. And you can see the merchant also sent me a message on WhatsApp. You can see, so make sure you click on the send Bitcoin and make sure you verify that the name tallies with the merchant, and click on the send Bitcoin option. You want to make sure that the user sent the verification, or the funds were sent directly to your wallet. You can see just sent thanks. Okay, sent precision. Now you can also leave a review for the merchant here. You can see whatever you want to see. You can leave a review here just to show. So that's how easy it is to get your Bitcoin, to make purchase of your Bitcoin, and also to sell your Bitcoin, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to reach out, guys. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Akahilz. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Then also, guys, for bonus perks, you also want to look out their Twitter, guys. They're currently giving out this promotion for individuals that are currently using the platform. Now they're going to giving out as much as $20 for each user that creates and that does a review on the platform and shares it on your social media handle. So when you go over to the X handle, you want to go over to the official handle, that's a NoOnes app. This one is for the CEO. You can also see some insights about what's going on, because it currently interacts with the platform. Now these are screenshots from users that have been sent their funds for creating these videos. You want to try as much as possible to participate in these, so you don't miss out, guys. I think that's all. One love. See you guys in our future updates, and if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out. Peace out, stay safe, and to the moon, guys, to the moon. No one's, everyone eats, guys. Everyone eats. Peace out, guys.
So the truth is, there's a lot of money in Africa. And people just can't use it, even money that they have, because they can't move the money around. It's stuck in whatever country they're in. This problem of all these barriers that are put around people in Africa is so epidemic that I gave it a name. It's financial apartheid. All the revolting in the world really doesn't matter unless you solve the money problem first. And the African youth have taken upon themselves to create the blueprint for everyone else to follow. Wherever people need to trade freely and they cannot, which is the entirety of the global south, people will use SwiftKip. It'll connect everyone together. All that liquidity will go to a huge global order book where we can all share that liquidity, and anyone can trade anything with anyone. The natural state of humanity is prosperity, abundance, and wealth. The only reason we don't have that is because of this artificially imposed poverty matrix.